Why looks like a pyramid and who created ABC, the untold story of English alphabets. Learn English with history, mystery, and meaning. Have you ever asked yourself, why does the letter A look like a triangle or a pyramid? Why does B look like the number 8 cut in half? Who made these letters? Where did A, B, C even come from? Today, you'll discover something no schoolbook ever told you. The secret story of the English alphabet. And why each letter looks the way it does. Let's travel back in time. To the deserts of the ancient Middle East, nearly 3,800 years ago. There lived a group of people called the Proto-Semitic. They were among the first humans to create symbols for sounds. And these symbols? They weren't just random shapes. Every single letter had a meaning and a picture behind it. Let's start with the letter A, the ox head or pyramid. The letter A came from the word Aleph, which meant ox in their language. They drew it as an ox head, a strong animal used in farming. 2 horns, a head. Flip that symbol upside down. And what do you get? The modern day A, shaped like a pyramid, solid and powerful. It was a symbol of strength and leadership. So every time you say A, you're actually speaking the sound of an ox, a creature that built civilizations. B, the house. Now let's look at B. It began as Beth, meaning house. Early drawings of B looked like a simple floor plan. A square divided into 2 parts, one for sleeping, one for cooking. Over time, it turned into 2 loops, one on top of the other, like a number 8 split down the middle. So next time you write B, know that it's not just a letter. It's the shape of a home, where families lived, learned, and loved. See the camel or hook. C came from a symbol called Gimel, meaning camel or curved stick. Its shape was inspired by the camel's neck or a hunting tool. And even today, C still keeps its curved shape, like a half circle from ancient tools. D, the door. D was originally called Dalet, meaning door. It was drawn like a triangle, the shape of a tent opening. Later, it evolved into a curved doorway, exactly how D looks today. The letter D is a symbol of entry, an opening into knowledge. E, the man with raised arms. E comes from the symbol E, meaning to reveal or celebrate. It was a person standing with both arms raised high in joy. Over centuries, it was turned sideways and simplified. But the essence remains, a figure expressing life and energy. So who took these symbols and turned them into the alphabet we use today? It was the Phoenicians around 1050 BC. They created the first full alphabet, 22 letters, no vowels. From there, the Greeks borrowed it. They added vowels like a E, I, O, U. That's when Aleph became Alpha and Beth became Beta. And that's how we got the word alphabet. Then came the Romans, who simplified the Greek letters into a system we call the Latin alphabet. From Latin came English. And that's how you got the 26 letters you're using right now. But here's something even more powerful. These letters built entire civilizations. They were used for laws, science, trade, love letters, books, poems, and dreams. And yet, they all came from simple shapes drawn in the sand. So next time you write a B, C, remember, you are writing history. You are speaking the language of kings, traders, teachers, poets, and warriors. And you're carrying a story that began before paper even existed. amazing, right? If this story made you look at English differently, if it made you feel the magic behind the letters, then help us grow. Subscribe now to English Speaking Tree. Because we don't just teach English, we bring it alive. Every like, every share, and every subscriber helps us plant another seed of learning. This is Jeevan Verma, and you're listening to English Speaking Tree. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, every single letter you speak once had a shape, a soul, and a story. Now it's your turn to write your own.